Guys, in this sheet you can see we have some data. This is our base data in A to C column, and here in S to J column we have data with formula. This is linked with our F1 cell. If I am changing data here in F1, I am making it, instead of HR, making it sales. So you can see now in S to J column I have data of sales only, and along with that it is highlighting in our base data sales data only. You can see only sales rows are highlighted. If I am changing this value in F column F1, so you can see related data is highlighting and same data is coming here separately. So let's see how to do this step by step. So here in second sheet I have only base data without any highlighting rows or formula. So here we have grid lines. How to remove these grid lines? We have to go on view. In view tab we have here grid lines. This is already check marked, we just have to untick it. So you can see now it is black background. Now this is just drop down. Now here we have to use filter formula, equal to filter, and after that we have to select the array. Our array is this data. Now comma, and we have to give it condition. Now we have to select only department column. This is our data, and equal to condition is F1, means when we have this F1 data in our C column, then only that data from A to C column will come here. Now close the bracket and enter. So this is dynamic formula. So now you can see if I am changing the data in cell F1, so it is bringing only related data. After this, now we have to highlight data in our base data. So for that, first of all, we will select our data. Now home, conditional formatting, and here new rule. In new rule, we have to select this option, use a formula to determine which cell to format. We will select this option. Here we have to input the formula equal to. Now we have to select the first C column where we have data in C4. C4 equal to F1. But in this case, because this data will dynamic from C4, C5, C6, so we have to remove this dollar sign before 4 in C4 only here, while it will constant for F1, so we have to keep dollar sign before F and after F. Now have to click format. Now you can choose your desired color. I am choosing this color and clicking on OK. Now again click on OK. So you can see only admin data is highlighting. Now if I change it to HR, so only HR data is highlighting. Along with that, here we have already dynamic formula, so it is bringing the related data here separately. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and follow us. Thanks.